This week, we're back at the racetrack. Yeah. All right, so that's an actual race car. We are back at the racetrack, and if you look over my shoulder, you'll notice the weather doesn't look that great. So we'll see how this goes. Still another couple weeks of not getting the roof rack done. Feeling like this is not going to happen this year. So probably have to do something different, but yeah, came up on the R888s. It's going to be wet out. We'll see how the day goes. Hopefully no maladies. Pretty good turnout thus far. A couple Vipers, a couple Porsches, GT3 RRSs, and a GT3, and then the rest of the regular or usual suspects. So stay tuned. We're going to get into this one. Strap the GoPros on and go for a rip. Turn-in still feels pretty good. Whoa, back end's all over the place. Woo! So we just did that session in the rain. 888s are not good. I just talked to our other one of our other FRS guys out here. He's on the Hankook RS4s that we used to be on, and definitely a far better wet weather tire. So you know, he was way more composed getting out of the corners than I was. So maybe get another set of those for the other rims, and for wet days have those on. But anyways, doing good. Definitely always interesting driving in the wet, so we'll see where we get to for the rest of the day. Hopefully a dry line is coming. Okay, the selfie stick didn't work. As soon as I let it go, the mount here just kind of flopped over. So I didn't bring the right gear. I borrowed that from Eric. I'm gonna have to figure something else out. So rain's kind of died down. I think what we'll do is put it on the helmet and just go for a rep, see how that turns out. Oh, see if we can hunt down this Porsche. That might play into my hand a little bit. Getting back on the throttle there nice and early. That felt pretty good. Nice speed through there. gap here. I got caught up in my own game. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Woo! Big slide, try and make everything work here. On the straights he's got me. On the straights he's got me. I know I can get him. The traffic's gonna help me right now. Tires are getting greasy though. Definitely at their hot. Definitely hot. I got him now. I got him. I got him. I got him. Woo! GT3. I'll take that. Oh. Okay, we're trying to get some music in the background, copyright stuff, so we're trying to avoid that. But man, we just had one heck of a battle with a really nice GT3, well driven, but yeah, just it was pretty much everything the old girl had, the FRS. Tires getting greasy at the end, but man, oh man, what a great battle. That was worth the work and having a lot of fun with it. So I'm super excited. That was some of the most fun I've had, but definitely all day. It might be this year yet. So anyways, we're gonna check a few things over and then get back after it.
As the day went on, we had drying conditions, which helped us with better lap times. I also got to play with this really awesome STI, full race build, and driven by one of our longtime members who has a ton of racing experience. In the end, I had to relinquish. He definitely got me, gave him the point by, but man, what a great battle.
See you, bud. Hey guys, so yeah, we're finishing up the day here. Got a half an hour left of our run day, but honestly, it got hot. It's saying 25 right now, C. And unfortunately, I couldn't film there at the end of the day because they had a lot of music playing in the background. So yeah, we're on our way home. Got the earbud in for the radio so I can hear. But yeah, great day, fantastic, a lot of good dicing, blew through most of my fuel, and yeah, just time to get home, head on home. So we got Eric in tow, and away we go. Okay, so that's it. That's a huge day done. Eric, did you have fun? He did. I had fun. Not the fastest laps, but greasy track in the afternoon. Real greasy. And just, you know, it's hot. So anyways, we're getting ready to go. We're in this queue, so we're going that way. And we got massive clouds that way. So till next time, remember to definitely subscribe, comment, hit the like button, notifications. You know how it goes. But as always, stay safe. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.